Welcome to day 15 of our 365 days of Web3 jobs positioning. I'm sure you want to get crypto jobs. I'm really sure. Hello everyone, my name is Victoria and I teach you how to make money in the Web3 space. Join us. But there's one thing I always see, always come from the angle of solving problems, right? At Valuecorp, we call it value first, money next. You have to offer value first for the money to come to you. So solve a problem first and you'll be paid for the problem you solved. So today, in that line, we'll be looking at some of the companies who make listed on day 7. Remember day 7? You can go back to day 7 to watch it again if you can remember the task you did on day 7. Today is day 15. In reference to day 7, out of the list you made about the companies, right? Bring out 3 companies today. Sit down, bring out 3 companies, 3 projects. That's 3 crypto projects from that list, and sit down, bring out a document and begin to write. It's very easy. Let's say you picked let's say, I don't know, let's just say you picked Solana, SU, and Ton. These are 3 different ecosystems, and then under these 3 ecosystems you identified 1 project under Solana, 1 project under SU, 1 project under Ton, for example, or even Abstract, which is a very new ecosystem at the time of recording this video. And then you look out, okay, so what are their goals? What do they want to achieve? You write it down. What are they currently, at what level are they now? You write it down. How far have they come? You write it down. Do they have challenges that you can solve? You write it down. Are there gaps that you can fill? Because with your eyes of experience, your eyes of from what you know from your skill set, are there things you can do differently that can help them get a specific result? You note it down. Now today is just about putting together this information. If you want me to look at it for you, you can share it with me. So the idea is to help you make sure you're following up with what you've been doing in the days back. So from what we did on day 7, today we are taking out of day 7 to make sure you are following through. So pick out 3 projects, identify their values, their mission, what they want to achieve, what problem are they solving, and what gap do they have right now that your skill can fill up. What gap do they have that your skill can fill up? So identify that, making note about them, and then we'll see tomorrow. So this also shows you, even if you're going to reach out to them, remember we talked about some days ago, we talked about you knowing how to reach out to them, so you can reach out to key people in that project. So if you want to reach out to them today, you already know how to script your text in the DM, telling them that, oh, you notice that they have this challenge, that if they do this, you can get a different result, and you're going to jump on a call with them and talk about how you can help them achieve that result. All right, so that's for today. All right, so see you tomorrow, and we are killing it. I want to even find out from you, how many of you have, let's say you increase your visibility, always check your analytics. That's very important. You want even to tell us that you're making progress. Maybe let's say, for example, 10 people to view your post before. Because of this consistent showing up on X or LinkedIn, you can just find out that more people now see what you post out there. You can see it from your impressions. Impressions are number of persons that have seen your post. So just check. Always check analytics. You can check it from the web version of Twitter. Right? If you're using premium, you can just check it from your app. Find out if you're made progress. That's one way to, even though you may not have the job right now, but at least more people are seeing what you're doing. Your engagement have increased, right? If they have not, come, let's pray for you. But if they have not, still talk to me about it. Let us see how we can help you get the results. All right, so see you. If you're interested in joining my personal coaching class, the door is open. Go to my DM on WhatsApp and let's talk about it. How you can join my personal coaching group. All right, so see you in the 16 of our 365 days of Web3 jobs position. Bye.